In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request multiple signatures using Adobe Sign. This quick and easy guide will have you well on your way to efficiently managing your documents, ensuring that all necessary parties can digitally sign with ease. First, you'll want to open a web browser. Chrome, Firefox, or Safari are all excellent choices. Simply navigate to the Adobe Sign website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, now would be a great time to set one up. A stable internet connection will make this process much smoother. Once logged in, look for the Request Signatures option, usually found on your dashboard. This is your starting point for managing signatures. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to upload the document you need signed. Make sure your document is ready and saved in a file format that Adobe Sign can handle, like a PDF or Word document. Now that your document is uploaded, you'll see a designated field where you can enter the email addresses of all the recipients who need to sign. Simply type in each email address. It's crucial to ensure there are no typos here, because incorrect emails can delay the signing process. After you've entered all the email addresses, consider whether there's a specific order in which the document needs to be signed. Adobe Sign allows you to specify this order by simply dragging and dropping the recipient names into your preferred sequence. If the signing order doesn't matter, there's a convenient option to allow recipients to sign in any order. Just toggle this setting and they'll be able to sign as soon as they receive the document. Next, it's time to set up the document for signing. Click on Preview and Add Signature Fields, and you'll be able to see your document in full. This is your opportunity to drag and drop the necessary signature fields onto the document for each recipient. Adobe Sign provides a variety of options, including signature fields, initials, and even date fields. Place these fields where each signer needs to provide their information, ensuring clarity for everyone involved. Once all the fields are added and you're satisfied with their placement, the final step is to click Send. Adobe Sign will take it from there, notifying each recipient that their signature is needed. Keep an eye on your email for notifications about each recipient's progress. And that's it. You've successfully requested multiple signatures using Adobe Sign. This process not only saves you time, but also keeps everything organized and accessible. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our guides for tips and tricks to make your workflow even more efficient.